got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit.
Okay, so hey y'all, it's Cheryl Edda here. Either welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about this unit I purchased from Nadula Hair. If you're new here, my name is Cheryl Edda. I do videos on beauty and lifestyle, and you know, I vlog every once in a while. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys enjoy. Like, comment, add me on my other social media platforms, and let's get started. So this is the packaging for the wig. The wig came in this plastic bag, and it came with a silk scarf and a tan wig cap. This is the wig straight out the box, and the wig is really full, especially for it being 24 inches and 180% density. This is a transparent HD lace, and as you can tell, the lace, it wasn't too light on my skin tone. You know, I could have got away with it, but that's just not me. And the wig came with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and it also had an elastic band and lace at the bottom. And the wig came pre-plucked, and I really like that because it made plucking so much easier. For bleaching your knots, I prefer the L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach Powder, 40 Volume Developer. It doesn't really matter the brand. This is my mixing bowl. It's just a cheap little bowl. And then this is my bleach knife. I keep it with me. And then my purple shampoo shimmer lights. For tinting your knots, I have this mug. It's from Pink. I've had it for years now, and this is my designated tinting jug. Yeah, nothing else goes in there. Then the Rit chocolate brown fabric dye. Okay, so to bleach my knots, I start off with 1 scoop of bleach, and then I add in my 40 developer, and it's something it's better to add less than to add more because it's easier to correct less than more. So, you know, less is more. So your goal is to have a toothpaste-like consistency. So you want it to be creamy. It can be a little liquidy, but not too liquidy because then it's gonna get on the hair. So you just want something creamy, something that doesn't fall off your butter knife. And as you guys saw, I took my butter knife, and that's what I mix it with because I want this thing thick. And if I use like a mixer or something, like, you know, a hair dye mixer, it might not get as thick as I want it to be. So I just take the knife and yeah. So now that I get the paste to a nice little smooth consistency, I spread that thing on like butter on the closure. Yeah, you guys see some pieces might fall off. That's just because the head is tilted a sort of way. My bad. But yeah, you just have to spread it like butter, cream cheese on a bagel. I don't know what else you spread, but whatever you spread, do it just like that, okay? So much fell on my floor, so I had to stop recording. I'm sorry about that. But you just have to spread it all throughout the closure, and you let it sit. I let mine sit for 20 minutes just because I know how to eye it. So I would say start off with 10 minutes and then go 15 and then 20. Just see how well your knots take bleach. And this wig did take bleach really well. After washing the bleach out, I put the Shimmer Light shampoo on. I just follow the directions on the bottle. I do exactly what it says. And then I'm sorry, y'all, I don't like the clip of me tinting the lace. I'll come back and do that in another video. But tinting is so easy. You just do boiling hot water, pour it in that cup, do like 2 drops of the Ritz hair dye. You do not need a cap full because it's so potent. You just need like a couple of drops. I put a little salt in there. I use my bleaching knife. I mix it all together. Of course, wash the knife first. Mix it all together. I put the closure in for about 10 seconds. I wash it out and then put shampoo and conditioner. That easy. Now I just take my hard head spray and I just spray it on top of the lace. It gets on top of the hair a little bit, but that's fine. And I just take my comb just to really melt the lace down. And I'm going to take the scarf that came in with the package and just lay it on my head for a couple of minutes. cutting the lace, I use two things. First, I have my mini scissors I got from Walgreens. I think they're eyebrow scissors, and I like them because I can cut the sides of the lace with them. Then I use my eyebrow razor to cut the rest of the lace off the wig. And when you're cutting, I didn't cut correctly, I'm not gonna lie. When you cut, you're supposed to be like jagga jagga, like you're supposed to be moving your hand, doing a motion, not just a straight cut. I kind of did a straight cut, but since it was an eyebrow razor, it's not giving me a sharp line, because you don't want the sharp line, because then everyone knows it's a wig, okay? So that is it with the install. I know I look a little, Humpty Dumpty right now, but don't worry. I'm not going to look like that for long, okay? I just take my comb and my hot comb and, I just make everything real flat. And stay tuned for the rest of the details. Okay, so this is a 5x5 transparent HD lace closure straight wig, and it's at 180% density, and it's 24 inches. I was pretty nervous at first because I don't usually buy pre-made wigs. I was nervous because, on YouTube, everyone has like 360, 300, whatever. It's more than 180, but since this is a 5x5 closure, 180 is okay. I think a 360 with this, with a 5x5 unit might be a little bit too full. I don't know. I like the sleek look. So 180% density was perfect for me. One thing I will say is since the unit is 24 inches, all of the hair is 24 inches, including the closure, and I would prefer layers being cut into this wig. So I might cut layers into it like later on. I don't want to risk messing it up or anything, but I would cut layers into it just so it could frame my face more. I have not experienced any flyaways with this unit, and I love that, okay? So I really like this unit, and I think it looks really good. The quality is amazing, but look, if I start disliking it for any reason, I will let y'all know. I'll be back here and I'm gonna let y'all know, okay? So make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up, little updates or all my other videos. If y'all did enjoy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Add me on my other platforms, and until next time, bye.
Oh no no no, your hair looking nice like oh no no no. Got you causing traffic, oh no no no. Swinging your way.